Hi, do you know that if you can recommend something, you can make money from it? Oh, you didn't? That's affiliate marketing. So simple. The majority of us are very good at recommending. I have this friend, my best friend. She can recommend. She's the queen of recommendation. So you know that if you can recommend, you can earn. All you have to do is know how to do it. Welcome to day 16. Today, we are going to be breaking it down step by step. We're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how to earn money from simple products that you use every day. Let's dive into it. So, today's topic is affiliate marketing, and we're going to make it simple. All right. So, affiliate marketing is basically selling other person's products. So, we're going to talk about how to earn by selling other products, right? Others' product. Like it's not a product that you created, it's a product that's created by someone else. So, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Right? Affiliate marketing is a simple yet effective way to earn income by promoting products. It connects merchants and affiliates, allowing anyone to earn commission from sales made through referrals. Right? Very simple. Somebody else's product, but you are the one selling it. Maybe it's a product that you use, maybe it's a digital product that you saw online that you have used and was useful to you. It could be a skincare product, it could be a home essential. It is any product, all right? And affiliate market is effective, all right? There was a trend of affiliate marketing at some times, and we saw a lot of people make money from it, okay? So why is affiliate marketing popular? You have to understand the appeal of affiliate marketing. It is gaining popularity due to its fair flexibility and low startup costs. Like it's almost zero startup costs, zero capital. It's basically like doing job shipping, right? You see something that you've used, you like, and you're recommending to someone else, but you are earning money for that recommendation. Okay? It allows individuals to monetize their passions while working from anywhere, making it an attractive option to any. So it is a stream of income. You could have a steady income, and affiliate marketing could be something that will be on the side. Okay, just like the way I introduced Bumper to you people. If you want to market a product and the company do not have the an affiliate link readily available, you can contact them. There was this wristwatch maker that was in Lagos, and I really liked their pace. Their wristwatches were really nice. I thought, okay, I would like to sell this product to my own audience, but they did not have an affiliate marketing link. So I went to them, chatted them up, and they told me, okay, if I sell, they would give me a percentage for each sale I make. Simple and easy. How does affiliate market work? Right? You have to understand the core mechanics. First of all, it's you find a product that you like, you sign up for the affiliate program. If you don't have an affiliate program, like I said, you can contact the product owner. You know, get your unique link, negotiate your price, whatever it is. Then share that link with your audience, or share the product with your audience, right? So every time someone buys, you're earning. So who are the main parties involved in affiliate marketing? There are three main parties. We have the merchants, we have the affiliate, the person who promoted the merchant is the one who owns the product, created it. The affiliate is the one who promotes it, and the customer is the one who makes the purchase. So these are the main parties, right? Now, let's talk of tracking process. So you basically track through your referral links, right? Cookies that monitor sales, ensuring the affiliates receive their commission for the sales they generate. This creates a seamless experience for everyone involved. So for those products that do not have an affiliate link readily available, what you do is for every product you make, you have to make a record of it, right? You keep a record of for every product you take and repost, you keep a record of it, so that at the end of the day, and it's important that when you are telling Okay, you keep a record of it. It's better because you are collecting the money from the customer, and because you are buying you are buying from the merchant, right? So you keep a record of it. I'm sure merchants will tell you, okay, this product I'm selling it for 90,000 naira. All right. So you will remove your 10%. Let's say for instance they are paying you 10%. So remove your 10%. So instead of paying 90,000, you are paying 81,000 to the merchant. So do you understand? That is for products that do not have an affiliate link. All right. So moving on. Now, how do you earn consistently? So how do you earn consistently? In affiliate marketing, you have to choose a product that you love, right? You cannot just choose a random product. So because that product is selling, people they buy and where make I choose and no. There's something about doing what you love. They say if you do what you love, you will never work a day in your life. So if you are choosing a product that you love, it is very easy for you to create valuable content with it. Because let's say, for instance, you do affiliate marketing for a home essential brand. So when you are buying this product, let's say for instance you buy the products, right? Maybe a juicer, a blender, a vacuum cleaner. It's so easy to make you, because those products are products that you saw and you're like, oh god, I go need this thing. It will be so easy to create valuable content with it. How? You create content just by using the product, right? Or let's say you used a cream that's cleared your acne. Definitely you must have taken, normally when you've had acne, you will have taken a before picture. When the thing works, you take an after picture. So it is those are valuable content. And when you are creating this content, you have to be honest and relatable. So it's just like for the example I gave about the vacuum cleaner. You are using the vacuum cleaner to clean your house. So their vacuum cleaners come with different kind of levels. You can use this, you want to clean the ground, you can remove a particular brush, put another one in to clean the couch, to clean the corners. So it has to be honest and relatable, right? And remember, you always have to track. You have to track, right? For every like you get, for each post, every sales you make, track it, okay? Then repeat what works. If, for instance, let's say you used like the vacuum cleaner, for example, and you just posted a picture of it, right? Then the second one you posted a video of you using it, right? So the one that makes more, that gets more click-through rates, the one that gets more views is the one that you will repeat, okay? There's something about repeating and reusing the same content. It's just like you're tricking the algorithm, right? So it keeps on like reminding the customers that viewed it, showing it to new customers and all of that. So that is basically how to earn consistently. So understanding the affiliate marketer. So to understand the affiliate marketer, let's talk about promotion. As an affiliate marketer, you have to promote products to earn commission, right? You promote products, right? And you have to be strategic, right? Successful affiliates develop effective marketing strategy. It's not just about promoting. You have to there has to be a pattern to which you are going to, okay, I want to achieve this. This is the strategies I am going to follow to achieve that. Okay, you identify your interests, right? Identifying your interest, you start by recognizing your interests and passions. These alignments will make promoting products easier and more authentic, resonating with your audience and enhancing engagement. Just like I said, choose what you love. Okay? Research programs. Look for affiliate programs that match your interests. Yes, there are a lot of affiliate programs that are people who train people in the affiliate marketing, right? Yes. So check for their commission structures, product quality, reputation to ensure they align with your values and your needs. Then you evaluate products, right? Choose the product that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity builds trust. It has to be something that you are sure about. Okay. So evaluate products. Always, before you sell a product, make sure that you already know there's feedback on that product. So consider your audience. Understand your audience preferences and needs. Tailoring their choices based on what they value will enhance your promotional strategy and increase the likelihood of conversion. Okay, if you are selling the wrong thing to your audience, they will not be interested. Okay, let's talk about setting up platforms. To begin your affiliate marketing journey, establish a blog, a social media profile, a YouTube channel, right? Creating authentic content that resonates with your audience is essential for success, okay? Even without an audience, you can do short videos on like Reel, you can do short videos, Reels, TikTok, put Instagram stories, do YouTube reviews, WhatsApp status, blog posts, emails, newsletter, right? So even when your audience is not there yet, you can just be, prepping, right? As I am here right now doing this, my dream audience, the amount of people that I want to listen to this are not here yet, right? But it is not stopping me from doing what I want to do. I am still deciding to, I love doing this, so I'm going to definitely share my knowledge. So when the audience is ready, right, they will meet my product. Not be saying when the audience come they ready to view you, nothing there. So it's not all talk. There has to be work. Okay. Now, tips for success: building trust and finding programs. All right. Establishing trust with your audience is very crucial. Always be transparent about affiliate relationship to foster a positive connection and encourage honest engagement with your recommendations. Choose joining user-friendly affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank can simplify your stats. This platform offer a wide range of products and supportive resources for beginners. Tips for success: pick a product you believe in. 20% plus commission is ideal, right? Always use products, like when you're picking a product, pick the ones that are high in demand. Don't just, as much as you want to pick something, you have to have a wide range of products that you want to sell, you want to do an affiliate for. But when you have those wide range of products, do research and make sure that they are in demand. Don't just pick up anything and put it online and nobody needs it. It has to be something that people actually need, okay? And that products you are deciding to resell, must solve a problem, okay? And it should align with your niche. As much as you want to pick a product that is high in demand, if it does not align with your niche, it's pointless, okay? Now, this is time for you to start exploring affiliate programs. Okay, start today. There are lots of affiliate programs. You have Amazon Associates, you have Expertnia, you have Jumia Affiliate, you have ClickBank, you have Udemy or Coursera, and you have ShareSale. Okay, these are like Expertnia is open to a lot of Nigerians, open to Nigerians. Yes, I don't know. Amazon Associates is definitely open to everybody. But we're talking about the ones that are very easy for Nigerians. We have Expertnia, we have Jumia. Udemy too is very easy, right? Those ones I'm sure because I've tried them out. Okay, so we've come to the end of today, and I want you to make sure take a step. Don't just don't sit on it. Take a step today. Okay, so today's affirmation goes towards: I earn with ease, I influence with purity, I expand with purpose. My affiliate income rises because I rise. Thank you for joining us today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Toodles.